Feel free.
Hello, welcome to St. Cloud State. Jambo, Karibu St. Cloud State. My name is Jacqueline Nagila. I'm the Director of International Students and Scholar Services. Our services are mainly geared to international students. We support you in every way possible. It would range from immigration services, social adjustment, academic support, and anything else that you need to survive and thrive while you're a student at St. Cloud State. Do not hesitate to stop by our office at any time. Come in during our walk-in hours, usually from 11 to 3 p.m. or just schedule an appointment and come and talk to us. We are here to support you, and we want you to know that you can always come in at any time. Cloud State attracts students from over 80 countries and 1,025 as of spring 2014. We hope that you will enjoy those opportunities of sharing with those students. And for you international students, I hope that you will enjoy this experience, enjoy St. Cloud, and succeed and go back and build your various nations in all beautiful ways. Once again, welcome to St. Cloud State, and I am so glad that you chose us as your institution of choice. Thank you, and have a good one.